So, okay, test taking strategy, I'll tell you. I'll tell you my test taking strategy and I'll tell you why I do that. I start with always VALR. The reason why I start with VALR is generally I feel that when I want to read an RC, I want to read an RC with a clean slate mind. I want to read RCs where I'm not tired as such, because it makes a huge difference. Where if I'm tired, my RC accuracy will be low. If I am not tired, my RC accuracy will be fairly decent. So I always start with VALR. Then I go to DM, and the whole point of doing it in this order is that I try to restrict this to 30 minutes. Generally, this is very easily possible because there are a lot of questions which are based on fill in the blanks, grammar, which of these sentences is grammatically correct, which is not correct. You can answer those questions fairly quickly as such. So I do the VLR part in half an hour. In DM also I try to do it in within 40 minutes as such. So essentially this will take up like 70 minutes. And the remaining 100 minutes I try to give for quant. Why do I give so much time for quant? Because my idea is that in quant, I want to get every single question right. I attempt everything in VALR, I attempt everything in DM. But in VALR, I can get some questions wrong. In DM also, I can get some questions wrong. My point is that in quant, I should not get a single question wrong. And with 100 minutes, I can solve all questions with reasonable accuracy. So what will happen? See, DM, you will get, say, you read a set, you feel that this is the question, this is the answer, you mark it off, you go ahead. What basically will happen is that suppose you in DM, a good accuracy is about 60-70%. So you'll get 60-70% of the time you will get it right. So even if you mark off all 21 questions, you won't score that well in DM as such. Similarly, in VALR, your accuracy might be 90%. In RC, your accuracy might be good. In poem RC, it might not be great. In grammar and sentence correction, fill in the blanks, it would be good. But in their parajumbles, RC accuracy, the accuracy will actually be lower because ZAT parajumbles are on the harder side. So DM and VALR, the accuracy is actually generally not that great. I would say in general, I have found my accuracy to be somewhere between 60 to 80% depending on what type of question it is. But in quant, if I solve properly, my accuracy is near 100%. So I get a lot of marks from quant. I get good marks from VALR and DM, enough to clear the sectional cutoff. But the marks that I get from quant help me actually push my percentile, overall percentile, above the limit as such. So this has always been my strategy. It works very, very well. And that is what I would actually also tell you. What you actually attempt first, whether VALR or DM, is up to you. But attempt both of them first and then go to quant and give a lot of time to quant, because quant is the most important section to do well in ZAT as such.